Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here doing a exterior house washing quote and a roof cleaning quote. As you can see, we had a skylight replacement and got rid of the old dirty shingles around the skylight, and the north side of this roof was pretty black, so we're going to need to do a gentle detergent wash on the roof. Basically a soft wash where we apply a cleaner, let it dwell. All the black streaks will be killed, they disappear, and then from there you're left with a nice clean roof. One of the things that we do during our roof cleaning process is to make sure we clean the skylight of our solution before we leave. Now, the process to get your siding washed is all from the ground, no ladders or scaffolding. Similar process to the roof, but much gentler dilution rate to our solution. We apply that to the siding. It breaks down the dirt, the mold, the mildew, spider webs, bug guts, and then from there we gently rinse it down from the ground with no more pressure than a garden hose. Industrial grade equipment, so you'll be super happy with the results there. You get a 2-year no green algae guarantee. The outdoor window cleaning, the way we do window cleaning is we clean your windows with a special mineral-free purified water, and your windows actually will stay cleaner longer that way because we're not actually using squeegee and soaps. So if you take a look at our website and some other videos on YouTube, maybe you'll catch how we do the window cleaning, but I think you're going to really appreciate having the roof cleaning done, and that will ensure that your roof shingles match and don't look funny like so, and we can get your house brightened up. So my name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Look forward to working with you. Take care, and you can call or text me on my personal cell with any questions. 815-520-6020. Take care.